Hey guys, I'm going to show you a little bit about searching with Google and finding credible sources for a research paper. You all have by now written a paper before and have also cited references, so I just want to show you how to find some more credible sources and not use things such as Wikipedia or certain things that aren't actually factual. One example that you can do with Google, I'm going to search for bears and their babies. And I want to make sure that Wikipedia does not come up in any of my searches. So I'm going to type -wiki. And all of the websites that come up from here on out are not going to be from Wikipedia. So you can't necessarily rule out that they are not credible, but you will be sure that Wikipedia is not one of the sources, so you can at least take one of them out of the question. And then another option, I'm going to use the same search, bears and their babies. Another option you could do is we could take out the word babies and insert an asterisk. And it will give you a bunch of different options to search for. Bears in their habitats, bears in their cubs, young ones, sense of smell, sizes. So if we wanted to search for, say, bears and their cubs, just to use a more accurate term for babies, it'll come up with bears and their cubs. So since we didn't put -wiki, there will still be Wikipedia resources in here, but it just gives you another little trick to use. Sometimes it's hard to think of a different word for something like babies, and it will actually pop up with what you're looking for. If you're searching for an exact phrase, such as bears and their cubs, and you want to be sure that this exact quote will show up in a search, you can just put quotes around it and hit enter, and everything that pops up in your search is now going to have the exact search that you put in. So everything will have verbatim bears and their cubs. So yeah, this is a little bit about Google. I hope you learned something and can use this in the future writing research papers and ensuring that you're using credible sources.